Welcome to Pixel API. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the vfx-compose tool, drop any product or portrait into a cinematic backdrop in seconds, no Photoshop and no studio shoot.
Photographers, Etsy sellers, and small business owners spend hours staging shots. vfx-compose lets you upload a product cutout, describe the scene you want, and get a studio-grade composite in about 30 seconds.
Let's start. Sign in at pixelapi.dev, then click the vfx-compose tile from the tool list. You land on the upload screen, a slot for your foreground, an optional background slot, and a prompt for the scene.
For our first demo, we pick a product shot, a red running shoe on a plain background. Then in the prompt box, we describe the scene we want: cinematic dusk city street, wet pavement reflections, warm sodium street lights, photorealistic.
Now we click Start Composing. This first step costs 50 credits. Pixel API cuts the subject cleanly from its background, generates the new scene from our prompt, and detects where the light is falling. About 20 seconds.
When Prepare finishes, the canvas opens. The shoe is already placed in a smart spot. We drag to reposition, the corner handle resizes, the green dot rotates, and the sliders tune shadow, light angle, and how strongly the color matches the scene.
Click Finalize and download. The second step is free, no extra credits. In under a second, the harmonized composite is ready.
Here is the final result. The shoe sits convincingly on the wet street, the warm street lamps cast the right glow, and the shadow grounds it. That would have been an hour in Photoshop.
Now let's run the same flow from code. Here is a Python script using only the standard request library, no SDK, just plain HTTP.
First, we read the foreground image and post it to /v1/image/vfx-compose/prepare. With the prompt, we get back a job ID, then poll /v1/image/id until status is completed. Then we fetch the state, pull the suggested bounding box, and send it to /vfx-compose/finalize.
Let's run it. Watch the terminal. We submit the job, poll until it completes, fetch the state, finalize, and save the final image to disk. The full round trip is about 30 seconds, and the total cost is the same 50 credits as the web flow.
And here is the result generated purely through the API. You can plug this straight into a Shopify pipeline, batch it across 1,000 products overnight, or trigger it from any backend that can speak HTTP.
That is vfx-compose. Sign up at pixelapi.dev. Every new account gets 5,000 credits free to try it. Happy composing!